I tried MetaMask Firefox extension app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the MetaMask Firefox extension, I thought I knew what to expect, just another crypto wallet plugin. But after 7 days of real use, the shocking truth is that MetaMask is both incredibly powerful and surprisingly misunderstood. Right from the start, setup was quick. I created a wallet in minutes, secured it with a seed phrase, and was ready to go. What most people get wrong about MetaMask is thinking it's just for storing Ethereum. In reality, it's a full gateway connecting your browser directly to decentralized apps, NFTs, and DeFi platforms. Over the week, I tested everything from swapping tokens to connecting with OpenSea and Uniswap. The speed was impressive, and every transaction showed clear gas fees before approval. One surprising detail: you can even customize gas prices to prioritize speed or savings, something that can make or break your experience during high network activity. However, not everything was perfect. Because MetaMask runs in your browser, security is entirely in your hands. If you accidentally visit a fake app or sign a bad transaction, there is no undo button. That's where many users go wrong. They trust every connection without reading the fine print. Despite that, the extension's performance was stable. It synced seamlessly across Firefox and my mobile app, allowing me to check balances and confirm transactions instantly. By the end of my 7-day trial, the shocking truth became clear: MetaMask isn't just a wallet. It's your passport to the decentralized internet. But like any passport, its power depends on how responsibly you use it. If you're diving into it, MetaMask is a must-have tool. Just make sure you understand the rules of the blockchain world before jumping in.